Imagine a tribe of monkeys. They love bananas. Bananas are food, energy, survival. But how do monkeys trade bananas fairly? Let's follow the story. One monkey has bananas. Another monkey has fish. They trade fish for bananas. But soon problems appear. What if the banana monkey doesn't want fish today? What if the fish rots before the banana monkey feels hungry? Barter is hard. Too many conditions, too many problems. So monkeys invent stones. Special, shiny stones. Rare, hard to fake. Everyone agrees. One shiny stone equals value. Now, if a monkey wants bananas, it pays with stones. The banana monkey can later use stones to buy fish, nuts, or coconuts. Money solves the barter problem. But money has its own problems. Over time, the chief of the monkeys says,
"Why carry heavy stones? Let's use paper with monkey faces."
All monkeys agree.
This paper represents the stones. It is easier.
So now they trade paper instead of stones. Convenient. But one day, the chief prints too much paper. Now more paper chases the same bananas. Bananas become expensive. This is called inflation. Monkeys start to lose trust in the paper. One mysterious monkey named Satoshi had an idea. He saw chiefs printing too much paper. He saw monkeys losing trust. So Satoshi said,
What if we make bananas that no chief controls? Bananas that live only on the stone tablet in the sky.
In 2009, the first Bitcoin banana was born. Other monkeys followed and made their own bananas. Ethereum bananas, Doge bananas, and many more. They invent crypto bananas. Well, not real bananas, but digital ones. But where do all these bananas live? On a giant stone tablet in the sky. This tablet is called the blockchain. Every trade is carved onto this tablet. Monkey A gave 2 bananas to Monkey B. Monkey B gave 1 banana to Monkey C. No monkey can erase it. No monkey can fake it. Every monkey can see it. That's why the blockchain is trusted. It is like history written forever on a magical rock. But how do monkeys make these digital bananas? They use mining, not digging in dirt, but solving puzzles. Imagine many monkeys with drums. The jungle sets a challenge.
Bang this rhythm correctly, and you win a banana.
Monkeys hit drums day and night. The first monkey to play the right rhythm gets rewarded with a digital banana. That is mining. In real life, monkeys use computers, not drums. Computers solve math puzzles to unlock new bananas. Now, monkeys all over the jungle want bananas. Some buy bananas and keep them in a pouch, hoping the price goes up. Others trade bananas back and forth, trying to earn more stones. Crypto can make a monkey rich, or make him lose everything. Yesterday, 1 banana equals 1 stone. Today, 1 banana equals 10 stones. Tomorrow, maybe half a stone. The value jumps like a crazy monkey on a tree. Of course, crypto bananas are not perfect. Wild prices. Bananas go up, bananas go down. Scams and theft. Some sneaky monkeys steal bananas with tricks. No chief protection. If a monkey loses his banana pouch password, bananas are gone forever. Not everywhere accepted. Many banana sellers still want paper stones, not digital bananas. The jungle now argues, is crypto the future or just another shiny rock? Some monkeys believe digital bananas will replace all paper. Others think it's just a fad, like when monkeys once traded colorful feathers. But one thing is certain, crypto has changed the way monkeys think about money. No chief, no middleman, just bananas on the stone tablet in the sky. Will monkeys keep eating these bananas in the future? Or will they throw them away and return to shells and stones? Only time will tell.